Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an Easter egg to share with you, and it's a beauty Easter egg by Look Fantastic. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. I'll just open it up and show you. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so lovely. And then you got a little keepsake box. There's 6 luxury beauty products inside. It has a value of £220 and it costs £65. But if you are a subscriber to the Look Fantastic monthly beauty box, then you are able to purchase this egg for £55. All links and codes related to this beauty egg you will find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. For you to click that, that will bring up information and everything will be listed down there. I haven't opened it up yet. This is the first time. How do you open it? You just pull it. Oh, it's been waiting here for me to film for the last couple of days, but I wanted to open it up and share it with you. Oh my gosh, look. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm already trying to think, what am I going to do with these eggs? I don't know, maybe I can fill them up with little mini eggs and hide it in the garden somewhere, but it's quite big, isn't it? I think my kids would find that no problem. I don't know, I'll have to think of something. Okay, so I'm going to go through them one by one, showing you what's inside. But as well as the box, you also receive a card. And in here details everything about the products inside the box. So I'll refer to this as we go along, just to give you some more information about the products. So the first item I picked up is by Lom, and this is a Gel Balm Cleanser. And there's 100 mils here. I'll just take off the wrapper. I've tried the Lom Cleansing Balm before, but not in gel form, so I'm assuming it's very similar but just easier, because obviously with a balm you have to gouge lumps out. I absolutely love it. It's just like putty, just gouge out a big lump of cleanser, slap it on your face, it melts off your makeup. I absolutely love cleansing balms, but yeah, I'm just guessing very similar but easier to apply, pump action version, I don't know. Okay, removes waterproof makeup, hydrates skin up to 12 hours after use, signature blend of 4 botanical oils. I'm doing this very carefully, because I normally it just squirts out and there's just loads, but it's good. There. Only a little bit. Yes, it's like a squirty version of the balm. I was right. It is the squirty version of the balm, so it's not as thick. Yeah, it has the same, it's quite a strong smell. I know some people don't like it. I like it. It doesn't bother me at all, but it is quite a strong smell, but it's all like botanical aromatherapy type smells, you know. It says this hybrid gel to balm formula gently yet effectively cleanses your skin of all dirt, makeup and impurities. Massaged onto wet skin, its soothing formula, Lom's signature blend of clove, eucalyptus and chamomile oil will leave you with a clean complexion that hasn't been stripped of essential moisture. I really like that. I do, I like that. Next we've got a product by Colour Wow, and I'm really excited about this. I have started using, I've got a few of them. I have got a few of these. I'll tell you about my story in a minute, but this is Dream Cocktail Kale Infused, and this is for breakage. It reduces hair breakage by 50%, and there's 200 mils here. So this is a full size. Now if you are a subscription box lover like myself, then you might be familiar with this already. We've received little ones in subscription boxes, and I've kept them in my little hair drawer behind me. You will never see it because it's a right mess. One day, maybe, one day. But anyway, so I've kept them all and I've never used them. I keep forgetting to use them and things. So I've been using them for the last 2 weeks. I've been using them, and wow, oh my word, it really thickens up my hair. My hair feels really thick. My hair is getting quite long. It's so thin and fine. I never wear it down. I never blow dry it and wear it down unless I've got my halo hair extension, because it's just too thin. It just doesn't look that nice. If I've tongued it, it gives it a little bit of body, and then I'm fine then. I don't need my extensions. I feel happy with my hair. You have to just put like a coin size amount into your hands, and then you're supposed to rub it into your hair where breakage is more prone. So if you wear your hair in a bun, ponytail, etc., then you might concentrate more on the mid-lengths, where the actual ties go in your hair. Or like me, thin fine hair that is prone to breakage from the mid-lengths to ends. So I was massaging it all in. soon as you dry your hair with a hairdryer, it activates, and yeah, it's supposed to protect your hair. Loaded with blue kale, the richest source of natural sulfur, protein building, amino acids and B vitamins, it instantly fortifies for safer styling. And then it just goes into telling you how to apply it, like what I've already told you. So I'm really chuffed. So we've got a hair cream. Next we've got a lipstick by Dalla Palma. It's called The Lipstick. It's number 46 anyway. Number 46. I'll open it up and have a look here. I'll have a look as well to see if everyone will receive the same shade. Oh, I've tried the eyeshadows and the eyeshadows are lovely. Oh, that is a nice nudie colour. Oh, yeah. This lipstick is quite popular in like subscription boxes in particular. Rose lipsticks were everywhere last year. I have a ton of them. I'd say, just looking at it, it's more of a warmer rose. Pinky, browny nude. That, oh, yes! It's not too pigmented either. It's quite a sheer lipstick. Oh, I do really like that. Okay, so do you all have the same? Yes, we all have shade number 46. Marine Collagen Spheres gives a plumping effect, whilst Vitamin E ensures your lips feel soft and smooth. Get an intense colour by sweeping straight from the bullet or blot on with your finger for something more natural. Yeah, I do really like that. It's got a lipstick. Next we've got a product by Rodial. This is from their Dragon's Blood range, and this is eye gel to hydrate and tone, and it contains arnica, chroma bright molecule and haloxyl. I've never heard of that before. And it's 15 mils there. I haven't tried much from this range, the Dragon's Blood range. I've tried a few like sheet masks and things, but not, I'm trying to think, have I tried any? Oh, maybe a toner I've tried, but I love their vitamin C range. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've been like barking on about the vitamin C range for ages. As always, really nice packaging. Again, I gotta be careful. Oh, 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 oh. There. Now I've got a ton of eye products. Oh, it feels so cold. Yes, it does feel cold. But yeah, as I was saying, I've got a ton of eye products at the moment. I'm going to try this, see what this is like. It feels gorgeous on my skin instantly. Obviously there's too much there. I've just covered my whole hand. It feels really, really nice and cooling, which is what I look for. The main thing for me is to freshen up my eyes and to moisturize as well. If they get rid of fine lines and darkness, then yeah, brilliant. But in all honesty, I haven't seen any eye creams or gels that I'd swear, my gosh, you know, I've got no wrinkles because of this cream. I don't know, haven't noticed, but yeah. I am talking quite a lot in this video, aren't I? I'm aware of it. I am sorry. It says here, Dragon's Blood comforts and restores through skin's hydration. Hyaluronic acid provides long-lasting moisturization. Arnica reduces the appearance of under-eye puffiness. Haloxyl helps lift and firm the appearance of the eye area. Apply around the eye area and under the brow bone twice a day. If any of you have used this, please let me know your thoughts about it. Yeah, it just says exactly what I just read to you there. So we've got an eye cream or an eye gel. Next we've got a facial oil, and this is by Elemis. This is the Pro-Collagen Marine Oil. Anti-wrinkle face oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Padina bavonica, golden seaweed, roaring water kelp. Replenishes, nourishes and smooths. And I've got 15 mils here. I've already got one of these. I haven't got a lot left of it actually. I use it at night. I have a mix. That's one thing I do. I do like to mix my different oils, but behind me, I'm not sure how clear it is on the camera. I've got like a bedside unit there, and it's got like all my night creams and things like that, and it's there. So yeah, so I've got another one now. It's a really nice oil. It is a really nice oil. It absorbs well into my skin. It feels really nice as well. Just put a tiny bit on my hand. The smell is so lovely. It is really, really nice. I do really like it. Yeah. Oh, so nice. Some face oils that I've got, it stays oily on your skin, you know, it doesn't absorb into your skin, it just like lays there. And so unless you're going about your day, fair enough, but before going to bed, me personally, I don't want to have a oily face on where I'm going to get it all over the bed sheets, in my hair, or my husband. Yes, it does leave a little bit of a film, but That's fine. That is fine. That's no different than, say, a moisturiser, for instance, you know? But yeah, it is a really nice oil. It says, derived from ocean-based botanicals and marine biological actives, such as Padina bovonica, seaweed and roaring water kelp, which I've read. These ingredients work together to improve the look and texture of fine lines and wrinkles. There you go, similar information there. It's got face oil. And lastly, we've got a little mini of Kerastase. It's a resurfacing and strengthening milk, blow dry care for damaged hair. So it's a blow dry cream, and there's 20 mils there. It says repair and protect your locks with this Kerastase leave-in treatment, made up of the brand's trademark Vita Cement, top seal that strengthens and rebuilds the hair from the inside out, whilst leaving a protective top coat and outer coat layer. So I'm going to have to look to see what is the difference between these two really. I know this one is for hair, to protect the hair, to strengthen the hair, etc. So this one claims to do the same, but it's more of a styling cream as well, maybe. So yeah, that's what I'm guessing. This is for like a treatment, and this is for protecting your hair while styling. Maybe. I don't know. So those are all the products. So I'm just going to go through them all, give you a bit of a recap. So we've got an Lom Gel Balm Cleanser. Got a Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. We've got an Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Facial Oil. We've got a Colour Wow Dream Cocktail Breakage Cream. We've got a gorgeous lipstick by Diego de la Palma in shade 46. And lastly, we've got a little mini Kerastase, a blow dry cream. So those are all the products. The cost of this beauty Easter egg is £65, or unless you're a subscriber, where you will be able to have this box for £55. They have given me a code, but I know a few of you said that it doesn't work. So I'll pop it down below anyway, just, you know, if you want to try it. This box does go on sale on the 18th of March, so in a couple of days time, but you are able to pre-order it now. So yeah, so I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to get it, or are you going to buy it and gift it to someone? Or are you thinking, nah, do you know what? It's not for me this time. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.